Good evening or good afternoon, good morning. I don't know what time of day it is where you are, but big up yourself and welcome to the channel. Long time subscribers, a kind reminder for you guys to like this video. Thank you. No. And if you're first time over here, definitely subscribe. So, we never yet reason with, a great Popye. So that's how we're going to do in this one, people. I'm going to talk to Popye. Probably try getting a... So Popye. Why your real name though? Tell the people what your real name.
Oh, my real name? I think I want to keep that confident. So.
Your real name is Jeremy. Just member. Just blouse that skirt member. So before we start reasoning now, my general.
Yeah.
One bag of things are going on in the country. We start there, so corona, lockdown. One whole heap of things are going on in the country. What you think about it? What you think about all the
when
things them where
money in a poor days like this, you have to distract.
It sound like the lockdown and thing affect you, man.
Yeah. Because
So
I'm losing 2 days out of work every day.
So,
and it's not righteous.
So what? You lose 2 days of work?
Every week, 2 days.
Oh, cool.
Because Saturday I don't open, Sunday I don't open. Then Monday, Tuesday, I have to close. Why sense? Me I lose profit, me I lose everything.
So you think about everything we are going on in the country?
Well, to what me say I go on in a fear.
I don't understand. Expound upon that.
Alright, if I'm doing a lockdown, I'm doing a total lockdown as in give everybody food at the yard and don't make them pay no bills for 3 months.
Okay.
That's a real lockdown. If you want to support people, people are hanging. Me see people are hanging there and say,
Papa is frustrated about all of what going on in the country. That's what I get from where I say that.
What you
So,
mean?
enough for that. Enough for what going on, whole life stress and thing. We go back in our past. Zine, tell a little bit about Popye. Which part you come from, originally?
Well, a born and growing Negril, the best part of Negril.
Which part?
In red ground.
Red ground is the best part of Negril?
Wow, peace and quiet.
Alright, boss. Most of your life you live at red ground, right?
From the barn of them stay.
So you know,
I
move.
don't move.
Those answers. So what life did stay like in a red ground back in the days?
Well, life was like this. You're free to go about your business, do what you want to do. It's still same way, because we still, all of this thing, I don't do certain things that I used to do. I don't go to bush go shoot bird anymore. I don't go on beach. I can't tell when last me go on beach because I live near the beach. I just take out a beach with it, and I can't tell when last. I see people from Kingston go to the beach. I should have shame of myself.
So you left from red ground and got which high school?
Oh, I go to Little London.
Little London High School?
Left Little London from 9th grade because you know, I tell you the truth. You see, school sometimes it's good for me, but you see, for me now, me tell myself, say, if I stay in school a little longer, but I'm very intelligent. But I just left school to do one thing. Help my mother, help my 2 brothers them, and my sister. Until today, I am still doing that. And from me 14, me I raise them instead of them raise me. And now they're still a big man and big woman, and me still I do the same.
So
you know, I thank God for God.
So during high school you start act or get interested in acting?
Well, when me at school, I say, well, I'm going to do acting, but anything we choose first never come first. I tell you. Baking coming in my hand. Because the whole my mother can bake. And my mother also a baker. Our last name is Baker. So it's just generally in my blood to bake.
Alright, my boss. Boss, tell me everything more I know already, But anyhow, I feel like we still not crack off our surface. I feel like we still don't know who Popye is. Where you get that name from, Popye?
Well, one lady gave me it when I was a baby. Until today I keep that name. I don't let it go. That name is going on for 31 years now. So yeah, we work with that name there.
So that's all I know, so you just get one name Popye?
Yeah, I will just keep it.
Then I tell you why I didn't get the name?
I don't know, maybe I have a cartoon.
But what you and Popye have in common? You eat spinach?
I love callaloo. If I should choose baking and acting, which one I would drop?
I know say acting in that job, man.
Oh, you know?
No, man. No, say you're not left for baking, man.
No, I can't left for baking. Now tell you, I will never leave something that push my life far. You can't do that. If acting, if other guys subscribe enough I'm pushing before 2 more years pass. I'm telling you. If 2 more years pass, I'm gonna see the subscriber going up and the views going up. It's gonna drop completely for me. Because, no, I'm telling you, serious when you come on to them, I say, yeah. If me can't see views that go why sense, you better stick to baking because baking help me a lot.
Okay, my boss. Alright. Fair enough. So, one of the, what would I call it now, protagonists of the whole Richard Brown films, I say, oh, baking and first passion. Same way Mike Tyson say him not like fighting and him one of the greatest. So, what again? Tell me about some of the special people in your life.
Well, the special people in my life, my mother, my daughter, my lover,
Hold on, your lover.
and I see now. The whole universe. Me not have no grudge against nobody. Me just love everybody. If me even walk past a madman, me tell him man. I don't know me get that dirty habit.
If people don't want to know about your lover, Papa, that they want to know about her now. How you and lover, how you lover meet?
Well, me try to make it work.
Hold on. Oh, you and the lover meet. Start Friday, so.
Just watch it.
Hold on, I'm not done talking yet, my boss. Come back, man. We're not done talk. Come back. I'm back up, let's go. Alright. Papa. What you want to say to your fans? I don't know. What you think your fans would want to know about her? What you think?
Alright.
Tell me something. What you think your fans don't know about you? What they want to surprise you know? I don't know.
Well, this is what they don't know. I can do anything I put my mind to.
Everybody can do that, Papa. Come
No,
on.
man,
I joke, man. Alright. They probably don't know that. So.
Right. I can anything when we get the most can translate it different. I just saw my time.
But what do you mean? Anything I get I can translate it different?
Because if nothing wrong with the light a yard, I don't have to call a light man. I can go through if my pipe bust, I can fix it.
Oh, Zin.
Any little thing in the yard, I can plant same way. I love plant flowers, I love plant food. You see food? If you can plant your own tomatoes, your own Irish and them something there. You don't have to make a big garden, but plant where you know you're going to need. Mostly.
Cool. So, there's a man who make sure say, Mr. Jack of all trades, something like that. How you come up with it? Because I understand, say, when you do the movies, them, you know, script them, see? So, not for a time them somebody joke them or like your joke them originally. Right? So how you come up with them joke them boss? Like how you furnish them?
Like on the scene now. Once we start in that motion, then just pop up in my head. But you see me can't get somebody with they, you know, like tag along with me and talking and
yeah.
That's going to cause a problem with me.
Oh, Zin, my boss. But yes, movies, upcoming movies, talk to you about that. What go on?
Well, the upcoming movies. Probably, which one? Lockdown Part 3, yeah? Coming in the next one. I need a producer though. I have a good story, it's right, but I definitely need a producer. Don't fret about the money, you will get it back in due time.
Then I just produce one over Jamiewood City or Richard Brown films.
Yeah, but we still need a producer to sponsor some money.
Okay, my
boss.
This
movie is going to take a lot of money.
Okay.
It has to be more than 10 rooms.
Give one hint, one idea what the story about with that movie?
The story is about a 15-year-old get pregnant and her mother threw her out. But they wouldn't know what's going to happen and what's going to happen. It's going to be from 1 to 2. So it's 2.
Question, so is this based on a real true life something?
Yeah, something I witnessed. So I just write it.
Jaja.
I don't want to give out too much stories.
Alright, my boss, alright.
But it's something like that what I witnessed.
So, why not pipeline for you? Where you going with in your life? What, the COVID lockdown and thing, what kind of plans you make for your future and them with?
Well, for the future, for the future. You know, say 2 wild one and my brain blank, stress.
So, no plans, nothing?
No, I can't plan, I don't know what's going to happen.
Oh.
I don't know if I'm going to get up and see it tomorrow. See, I've been looking for, this is the woman been stressing me out mostly. I've been looking at things. People make
me feel like you got a character now. Anytime you see Candy, you got an acting character.
How long have I been looking here now? 50, no, it's not 15 years. It's 12 years, I think.
Okay.
12 years, so I'm 19.
So what you ask about that?
Huh?
So you still a wait after 12 years?
Anything that a man wait for, I could have 20 years from now, it's a good team away upon.
A good sitting.
Good something. So you could have a walk and walking tick.
A good sitting.
As long as I love, a good something. Some man don't really want to wait enough. Then there's some bad up that, yo! Look how long man I look here.
But you can't do that because you go get free.
Exactly.
You know nobody like that, though, Papa?
Enough man out there. We have some friend there.
I wait there.
You're some friend? Hold on there. What you say?
Friend there.
Yeah.
Oh, me see them hang sometimes I tell all them one them say, yo, not eat that.
Cut them off.
That.
Cut them off. Cut off them from the
just hear
Papa.
like you talk about pregnancy and something. When they talk about pregnancy, what you tell
One movie you have, one movie I didn't have.
What do with them pregnancy when they get pregnant? What you tell the young girl them?
I'm not telling them that shit.
Hold on,
I never respond
hold on,
to
the
them.
phone a ring. Hello. Yeah, you know, somebody on the road with Ackeen. You can go up on his channel. Yeah, man. Ackeen Lawrence. Yeah, man. Go up on his channel. And let me tell you something. Are you, Popye, did just talk to? What do you mean about what? You have something fast about pregnancy. Let me tell you something. You see your corona kill off the people them. You make sure you care of it and make the world get back people in it. Because right now the people them are dead out and we need back people on earth. The earth cannot stay without people. What? God no give nobody no authority if he say this earth overpopulated. Not no go so.
Candy.
So if you want to breed your breed, carry your picnic.
Candy.
Alright.
My,
What you say now?
I like una choose some kind of can from when you know.
What you say now? What you say? You see, anytime you get pregnant for you, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You see, anytime you get pregnant for you, not for nobody else, not for you, me a carry.
Me not understand my youth. I could have 20 of them come out one time, the traffic come.
But somehow no man I tell the woman them if it dash away the baby, the innocent child, and that is a life.
That are the man that will not know sense.
No, enough of them will do it, they have sense, they just not want to take up the responsibility. And anytime
They
you
no
bring
sense
me,
that.
Papa, when me a talk, listen to me and not talk when me a talk. Let me tell you.
Alright, people, pick the easy for mine. No matter how the things say it hard, it easy.
How you do it? How you do it?
How me do it? How me mind my daughter? I'll go and work my daughter.
But that I just want that.
But me, if me a mind, my brother and sister them are 20 years right now, same way. It's easy. All you have to do, get up and
It's
work.
easy for you, talk about speak of yourself. Speak about for yourself alone.
Yeah, because you have one skill, you see me?
The woman way out there and the woman way out there, we do not have it and cannot support them child.
They don't want to rake yard, that's them problem.
So you rake yard?
Me used to rake yard.
Okay. So, we say they can start from somewhere.
You can start from somewhere until you reach up there.
Or they can start from nothing to something. Which
Right.
one?
Nothing to something. He will sell bag juice.
But anyway, come back to the argument.
Look around so him sell bag juice in her club.
Listen, no man.
Why sense?
Anytime me get pregnant for you, me make sure say me carry. And you say easy for mine. Watching me and you.
No.
Yeah,
Right now
my-
the Prime Minister mash up the country. I have to wait. Last go gone sky
Yes,
high.
man
Fiji
like
gone
uno.
sky high. So
Man like uno, when you no see people, no big up on yourself.
you
Go
ever
to
been
your
a
mind.
supermarket go to power feeding right now?
Feeding.
At 3,000 and 2,000.
That's why we not got family code.
Oh,
Nah,
the driver come. Bye-bye guys. Subscribe.
Remember to remind your
big-
pitney when you breathe.
Big up yourself. See the people in Ghana now.
Sound not like you with scandal.
So, so like that people, Candy and Papa take over our show. I hope you enjoy that a little bit there. And if I make it this far as usual, if you're not subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. But there, now I have no problem with nothing. So big up on yourself, little more. Me soon.